Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. To lock the photo app on your iPhone, you will need to use the guided access, a built-in feature that restricts your device to a single app and lets you control which features are available. Here is how you do it. Go to the setting app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on guided access under general section. Toggle on the switch to turn on guided access if it's not on. Then you set password. This passcode will be used to exit guided access. Now, launch the photo app. To activate the guided access, quickly triple click the side button or the home screen button. If you are using an iPhone X or later model or iPad with Face ID, triple clicking the side button works fine. Immediately after triple clicking it, the start button appears and you can tap start at the top right corner. To exit the guided access and unlock the photo app, triple click the side button again and enter your guided access password, then tap end at the top left corner. Guided access restricts access to the photo app until you decide to end the section using your passcode. This feature is useful for temporarily locking down apps on your iPhone. And there you have it guys, you successfully logged photo app on your iPhone using the guided access. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and share this video, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.